Check if multiple substrings are in pandas dataframe. I have a pandas dataframe which I want to check for substrings of a certain column. At the moment I have 30 lines of code of this kind. They are all linked with an OR condition, and if any of them is true, the name is the name of a company rather than a person. But to me this doesn't seem very elegant. Is there a way to check a pandas string column for does the string in this column contain any of the substrings in the following list: limited, incorporated, corp? I found the pandas.dataframe.isin function, but this is only working for entire strings, not for my substrings.
You can use regex, where vertical bar is an OR in regular expressions. Moves.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.